Number 2 is GEEETECH Mizar S 3D printer. You are introducing the ultimate dream machine for all car model enthusiasts, the GEEETECH Mizar S auto-leveling 3D printer. Prepare to embark on a thrilling journey of precision and creativity as you bring your favorite model cars to life. With its innovative dual leveling system, this printer takes your experience to new heights. Say goodbye to complicated setups and external accessories. Press a button and let the advanced auto bed leveling technology work magic. No more worries about uneven surfaces or fiddling with extra gadgets. The stability of the Mizar S is simply unmatched. Thanks to its fully fixed heat bed design, your prints remain flawless throughout the process. No more deformations caused by temperature changes or loose nuts ruining your masterpiece. Get ready to think big because the Mizar S offers an expansive build volume. With 255 by 255 by 260 mm dimensions, you'll have all the room you need for your grandest car model creations. But that's not all. The Mizar S knows how to keep things quiet. Equipped with a super silent driver and a high-performance 32-bit MCU, it operates with a whisper. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to